Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at the Can-Am Maverick R XRS with Smart Shocks. We've done something that to my knowledge has never been done before. We are using the USA windshield built here in Utah, and this customer wanted us to pull off some magic, and we've done just that with the Can-Am wiper system. So if you at this time have a USA windshield, you'll need to notch out this section in order for this to happen. You can see that we've used the little guide along here, put in another little piece there to make this happen. But as far as the installation of the wiper goes, you'll follow the Can-Am instructions exactly with the wiper fluid as well as the blade and all that itself. I will note that we did have to use a smaller blade on it than what comes with the Can-Am kit. I have been in talks with USA about doing a notch out right here, kind of like you'd see on a outlet box where you'd punch out the plug. We might be able to do that with USA. I'll keep you posted on that. But for now, want to do a little walk around and show you that it is possible to utilize that system. We love the Can-Am kit. The washer fluid setup is awesome on it. It goes right here, tucked in out of the way, so you're not adding a spot that's likely to get hit by other debris. Some of the aftermarket stuff, you're mounting the tanks down here up under the way, and I don't necessarily like how they mount up, but with this one, it's protected very, very nice. So great job. We love this setup. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Another sick build heading out of Big Pine Sports. Have a great day, everybody.